Lakes05 has posted a simple yet very effective band script on the Vidyuu Discord server. Check it out. In just 2 scripts with a couple of lines each, you can have a list of band players as needed for all your worlds. The first script is self-updating and basically just spawns in the banning mechanism every time a world instance is created. If you make this first script an asset, you can easily pull it out every time you start building a new world. Lakes05 has called this banning mechanism the bandbox, which is just an asset containing the bandbox script gizmo and a spawn point. Let's start by creating the first script. After pulling out a script gizmo, I'll rename it bandbox start. In the panel, I'll go to the Events tab and drag the When World is Started code block over. Then, from the Actions tab, I'll drag this Spawn Asset code block underneath. Under the Variables tab, I will go ahead and create a new variable by selecting New Variable. Then I'll change the variable type to Asset and name it Bandbox, and then click Confirm. From here, I'll go ahead and drag this new variable into the empty pill slot here. Notice that there are position, rotation, and scale parameters as well. These will need to be determined when you decide where in the world you want to put the bandbox. I'll pull out a pyramid object and attach the script to it. Now, when the world starts, this script will spawn in the bandbox asset. For optimization purposes, I'll go ahead and turn off both the visibility and collidability and change the motion back to none. I can go ahead and turn off light and shadow as well. Now, I'll set up the bandbox asset. First, I'll pull out a spawn point gizmo and rename it the bandbox spawn point. Next, I'll pull out a script gizmo and call it the bandbox script. Since the bandbox script will run on the spawn point, I'll go ahead and attach the script now. Obviously, I'll want to make sure that the spawn point's spawn on start is turned off. Otherwise, regular visitors may accidentally be spawned into the bandbox, and we don't want that. Now, I'll create this script. First, from the Events tab, I'll drag over the When Player Enters the World code block, and then I'll drag an If code block underneath it. Under the Operators tab, I'll find the List Contains Item code block and drag it into the empty pill slot here. Now, I need to create a string list variable. After going to the Variables tab, I'll select New Variable. Then, I'll change the variable type to string and check on the List toggle. I'll name this variable Band Players List, and then click Confirm. From here, I'll go ahead and drag this new variable into the empty pill slot here. Back under the Operators tab, I'll find the Name of Player code block and drag it here. Now, I'll duplicate the player pill into the empty slot. Under the Motion tab, I'll find the Respawn Player code block and drag it under the If statement. Again, I want to copy the player pill into the empty pill slot. That's it. When a player enters the world, if the band players list contains the name of that player, then it respawns that player to self, which will be wherever I put this. The banned players list can be populated with the names of all the players that you want banned from any of your worlds that contain the list. You can add or remove names from that list whenever you like and re-update the saved asset. Now, I can go ahead and make this into an asset and then add that asset to the bandbox start script. You'll want to put this bandbox somewhere in your world where a player who spawns here cannot access the main playing area. Anyone on the list will spawn here instead of at the main spawn point. In this case, I'll place it 5 meters below the grid. I don't really care about the rotation or scale, so I'm just going to leave them as they are. Now I can go ahead and make the pyramid in the start script into an asset as well. Like I said before, the beauty of this is anytime you change the list and update the asset, it'll automatically be updated in all of your worlds. This can save you a huge amount of time. For more information on this or any of the Vidyuu projects out there, consider joining the Vidyuu Discord server. There's a link in the description below. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave them here in the comments or ask on the Discord server. On behalf of the Vidyuu team, thanks for watching.